One of the standard applications that comes with iPad is GarageBand. It can easily be found by clicking on the guitar icon, which is on the dock here, or swipe down slightly, type in GAR, and you should see GarageBand appear. In this case, I'm going to hit the plus sign to create a new song. And here I'm facing a set of what is called live loops, and you can see the word live loops at the top. You may, on the other hand, be looking at tracks, where you may see keyboard, drums, amps, audio, or many different types of instruments. For this session, we're going to look purely at live loops. This is one of the simplest ways to create music on the iPad. You'll be able to do it within a couple of minutes, and your students will pick it up immediately. Here I'm choosing the rock option, and this will take a second or two to load. On the left hand side you can see a number of instruments, and across the screen you can see a number of squares, and these are the loops. The circles indicate that they are loops of music. When you hit the play button at the very top of the screen, the music will begin recording. You can very easily click on each one to turn it off. Each is its own loop that's perfectly timed to coincide with others. So if you can count to 4 or to 8 in time with the music, you can piece them together. The app will find the perfect timing to piece the sounds together. You can pause those, or of course you can stop them completely. Now along the bottom of the screen are numbers, and these are for each layer of instruments. So by clicking these small numbers and arrows at the bottom, you could switch on a whole range. And there I clicked the number 11, which is the ending to the entire track. And that brought the whole thing nicely to a close. You can pick out any individual one if you want to have a listen first and have a practice. And clicking now, others will go into the same. They'll go into the same place where the tunes will merge together quite nicely. You can stop them early or start them early. And I've stopped that there. Now the beautiful thing about this is you can of course record your own tunes, and I'll go into that in the next short video. In the meantime, please do have a play around. Click the button at the top left to go back to a brand new song. You click the plus sign again, which is here, and you can try out one of the other types of sounds that's already built in. Let's try some electro funk.